Art academies in the 17th and 18th centuries considered history painting to be the most important form of art, and this went on to influence art of all genres for centuries. These works showed passages from the Bible, scenes from Greek and Roman mythology, and key events and stories in a nation's history. The Bard by Thomas Jones, painted in 1774, is the most well-known history painting in the story of art in Wales. This recounts Edward I's fabled massacre of the Welsh bards in the 13th century. The massacre was seen as a symbolic act, an attempt to silence and suppress the very heart of Welsh culture. Rather than becoming victim to the English army, the last bard of Wales hurls himself off the cliffs of Snowdonia and places a curse on the king's followers. The painting has become iconic to the point of cliché. It has been used both to construct and to challenge notions of national identity, and speaks to us today of language, memory, and cultural loss. While the genre by its Academy definition has largely disappeared, the same visual language of grand themes and universal subjects continue to inspire artists today. Rachel Whiteread's Untitled History from 2002 is a good example of this, a sculpture made of plaster, polystyrene and steel. This work was made by casting the space around a set of bookshelves, leaving an empty space where the books once were. If you look closely at the sculpture, colours from the spines and fragments of the covers of the books have left an imprint, their ghostly traces set starkly against the white of the plaster. Whiteread has created a series of these sculptures that act as a form of memorial. The absence of the books in this work is unsettling in a way that is hard to pin down. If language and culture are the foundation of our shared heritage, perhaps Untitled History, like the Bard, hints at how easily collective memory can be lost.